Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit, then go to display. Here you can see adaptive brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it works? Adaptive brightness is an Android feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. It uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. Now just tap here to enable it and it's done. Now if you go back on the home screen, then swipe from top to bottom, then tap on three dots. You can also enable or disable adaptive brightness option from here, and that is how you can enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.